Spring break should be exactly that, a break. It's time to relax, travel, and have fun with your friends. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be safe while doing so. Have no fear, I'm here with all the tips and tricks to keep you safe during your week of fun. Number 1, avoid the urge to change your dating app location. Hear me out. I know spring flings can be exciting, but if you're headed to a touristy destination, enjoy it without swiping through the apps. You know how it can feel like you've seen all the same circulation of people in your hometown dating pool? So much so that you can spot the new profiles? Yeah, the locals of your spring break destination probably can too. There's plenty of locals who use dating apps and have swiped through this cycle of people who actually live in the area. They can usually spot a new face on the app and know what weeks are hot for spring break tourists. They can purposely target people who are far from home and have bad intentions from the start. Just enjoy your break without the hassle of these safety risks. Number 2, look out for third-party payments during travel. If you're following along with this series, you know by now that people can prey on tourists. Local shops, food stands, and on-foot vendors may be selling waters, merch, or touristy gifts in popular locations and claim they only take Venmo, Cash App, and have some iPad with a card swiping attachment. These places can be full of scammers who look completely legit. If you're not from the area and you've never heard of the business, do not share, send, or swipe anything linked to your personal bank accounts. Carry extra cash on hand if you think you'll need it. Number 3, explore bars and restaurants away from your hotel. This tip sounds absolutely crazy because I'm suggesting you stray further from your hotel, but hear me out. Most hotels and small resorts have small niche restaurants and bars that the general public usually wouldn't go out of their way to. It's usually filled with the hotel or resort's guests because of the sheer convenience of the location. Meeting someone at a hotel's bar or restaurant while traveling screams, "I am also staying here." If you had some drinks in your system, your awareness abilities may weaken and someone can easily follow you into the hotel. Try out some local highly rated spots that require you to leave the establishment and the people there so you can go back to your hotel in peace. Did any of these tips surprise you? Be sure to follow us and watch all of our spring break tips.